Hi there, and welcome to the video on how to navigate your personal account. Let's get to it. When you log in, you'll be directed to your personal account. This is where you will find everything related to your account, from your purchases and billing to managing your members and your wallet. You can navigate between the different sections of your account using the sidebar. Let's talk about what each of these tabs are for. The Home tab is where you can get quick access to stores you've shopped with before, as well as view all upcoming events you and your account members are enrolled in. The Billing tab is where you can see your balance, make a payment, and view your invoice history with the different organizations you've shopped with. The Purchases tab shows you exactly that, a list of purchases you've made organized by type and person. You can also click on the invoice number to see more details. The Wallet tab is where you can add and save payment methods to use with your account. You can have up to 10 credit cards and 10 bank accounts saved, and even authorize organizations to use these for future purchases if you want. The Members tab is where you'll manage your and your account members' contacts, address, personal, and medical information. The Membership Cards tab is where you can find any memberships that organizations have provided. The Communications tab is where you can choose which organization you want to get emails from. The Documents tab is where you will find any facility rental contracts that an organization has sent to you to sign electronically. The Settings tab allows you to change your username, password, account owner, etc. You can access our privacy policy, as well as obtain a record of the data you share when using SmartRec. Lastly, you can use the Find a Store button to search for other stores powered by SmartRec to continue your shopping spree. And that'll do it for navigating your personal account. Have a great day.